Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial on which is better, Honeygain or Jumptask when it comes to passive income. Now, Honeygain runs in two particular modes. It can run in the Honeygain mode and can run in the Jumptask mode. I think this is a very good summary of what the benefits of each and what you need to know when you're getting into this. So if you use the Honeygain mode, you will get $5 bonus as you sign up because you already get 5,000 credits. That equals to $5. The payout threshold, however, will be 20, meaning you have to get 20,000 credits to withdraw. Now the two payment options you get are PayPal and Jumptask in the Honeygain mode. Now in the Jumptask mode, what you're going to get is your earnings will be directly transferred to Jumptask, meaning that you don't really need a minimum threshold. So there's no payment threshold. The limited offer ongoing is at least 20% on your earnings, meaning if you make, let's say, 100, it's going to give you a 120 increase. To convert Jumptask or GMPT, which is the crypto equivalent, to fiat, you have to go through some process. It's basically just going through an application like Coinbase or different cryptocurrencies to exchange or P2P and get money in your account. So that's basically the difference between the Honeygain mode and the Jumptask mode. I hope this video was helpful, everybody. If it was, please leave us a like. Thank you for watching.